All right, so once you have them in the milking stand, you're gonna take your nail trimmer. Her hooves are kind of long, but I've left them a little long because I wanted to show you guys how to get them from here to where they should be. There's the wall of the hoof, and then this right here is just like dirt that gets packed in, so I'm gonna get that out. Got the sole of the hoof right here. Wall runs on the outside, inside and outside. This part that's flapped over, that's just long hoof wall. So you're gonna take your clippers and start clipping away, and you want to get it level with the sole, which is the pad right here. So even if they're really long, don't be scared to take it all the way down to the pad. There you go.